Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another special episode of The Box Breakers. That handsome man back there is Ivan from our last video. If you haven't seen that one, go back and check it out. We open up 2 Pokemon Sun and Moon Unbroken Bonds, and we do pull a Charizard here at Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles on 24th Street in Osborne. We started off the video talking about the last video we were talking about some of this housekeeping that we had. We've got 2 packages we need to open. One is from Topps, I believe it's a redemption, and the other comes from our friends over at 760 Cards and More. They're out in California. I'll cover up some of their address. You shouldn't be able to figure them out too easy. 76 Cards and More. Check them out. They're a big supporter here of the Box Breakers, and we won one of their free giveaways, and that's what this is here. So we want to do a special shout out to them. We're also going to be doing some free code card giveaways from the last Pokemon video, so make sure you hit the subscribe and notification bell so that you can get a chance at redeeming some of those Pokemon code cards. But let's see what we won from 760 Cards and More here on the Box Breakers. And the and is with the ampersand, which is that funny little symbol, instead of the word and spelled out. But I'm sure if you typed it into YouTube, you'll probably find them. I'll put a link to their channel in our description as well. All right, cool. Look, we got some coupons to Aldi. Check it out. $1.49 per 6 ounce of raspberries. Yep, lemons are on sale, $2.99. What else we got? White sliced mushrooms, 99 cents. Interesting. Cucumbers, is that what that is? 19 cents. All right, let's see what we won from our friends over at 760 Cards and More. If I can figure out how to get into this. Here we go. I see something that says rookie card and LeBron James. Oh, I won the basketball giveaway. That's what it was. So he does these awesome giveaways at 760 Cards and More where they build up. If nobody wins or whatever, he keeps adding to them. So I chose the basketball card. So I got all these. I think these have been weeks in the making. So he has a giveaway for football and baseball, but you get to choose in the comments, and then that's how you got entered. And somehow I got lucky and I won. So I got Jerome Beasley Fighting Sue. I don't even know what that means. Is that his full name or something? No. What year is this from? 2003 or something? Anyway, I've never heard of Jerome, but that's a nice autograph card. Can't be mad at that. There's Elton Brand. Chris Paul, die cut, so like an insert card out of Donruss, 2011 it looks like. We got the Sprint calling card. Some of you might not know what a Sprint calling card is, but these used to be a thing that you would have to use to dial your friends in long distance areas. There's the code. You can try and see if there's anything left on this $2 Jalen Rose card. There's AI, Allen Iverson, back in '99, and Tim Duncan. We got Dwight Howard. I don't think that's his rookie card. Probably not. 2007. Probably not. Dwight Howard, and then we did get LeBron James rookie card. I don't know, it's something from 2009. Look at that. So that's a big shout out to 760 Cards and More. Check out his channel, get in on some of your own free giveaways, and you can open up your own free giveaway cards and say thanks to him. All right, our second item. Also, forgot to mention, as a big thank you to 760 Cards and More, now that I have his address, I'm going to send him some of these cards that we opened from our 89 Donruss. So I'm going to send him a Gary Sheffield rookie, Sandy Alomar rookie, Randy Johnson rookie, and the Alex Madrid error card. So this is the error card. It's got the period after the ink. Okay, can you see that?
No,
if it'll focus. Right after the word ink, so you see 1989 Leaf ink, and then this one has a period, and that's the sought after one. You want the one with the period. So we're sending him one of those. One of these cards went for $5,000 on eBay. You can see it in the sold items within the last couple months. It's on there. I think it's money laundering. I'm not sure. Anyway, we're going to send these 4 cards back to our friends over at 760 Cards and More. Maybe he can use them in a giveaway. Maybe he can add them to his personal collection. We don't know. We don't care, but we want to help support him on his channel. All right. Item number 2 is from Topps. I believe this is going to be a redemption card. We've had about 5 or 6 of these that we've been waiting on. Justin, Mr. 505 and I, we opened one out of Topps Inception. I got that one sent off. But we're going to see what's in this one. It's pretty thick. And looks like it's just a bubble wrap. But these usually come in a top loader from Topps. Most times. Let's see what this is. What is it? What is it? It's Austin Meadows, number 24 of 75. It's a auto relic patch from Inception. So this must have been one of our, I believe, Keystone Topps. Yeah, this was from our Inception auto patch card, I guess. Anyway, there it is. That is our Topps Redemption out of Inception 2018. If you haven't seen those other videos, go back and check them out. But this is what it looks like when they come straight from Topps. They're in a sleeve with a top loader. There we go. We got LeBron James rookie and Austin Meadows, number 24 of 75. If anyone's interested in that, we'll probably put it up on our eBay eBay page. And then we got Gary Sheffield, Alomar Jr., Randy Johnson, and Alex Madrid. Seriously, look that one up on eBay. You'll see this is like a $5,000 card. So 760 Cards and More, this is coming to you. Thanks to everybody here at the card shop. We'll see you next time here on the Box Breakers. We're out.